I think that the first episode of commercialization is probably going to be on the consumer side, because what we're doing now is we're basically going with the enhanced mobile broadband slice. We're going with just pure better mobile connectivity. And that looks a lot like what I like to call 4G 2.0. It's a better connection. And operators like that because, for example, they're looking for a better mobile experience of video. So if you just use a faster mobile connection, you're going to have a better video experience, and they think people will pay for that. Then we're going to start on adding things like the low latency component, and that'll go into things like gaming, mobile gaming, because low latency is absolutely critical if you really want to have sort of a professional level, let's say, gaming experience. After the two consumer cases, I think we start going more towards the enterprise, because we start being able to provide low latency reliably, and we start being really reliable with our connectivity. And those cases at first are probably going to be fixed wireless use cases around things like ports, around things like corporate campuses, manufacturing floors, where the control systems and the automation and the robots really need that reliability and really need that low latency in order not to go too far off the pier or in order not to go over a safety border and hurt somebody. So after we do the fixed wireless corporate enterprise use cases, then we start doing the mobility cases around things like mobility management, around things like connected car, around things like fleet management and so on. And that takes a while because a lot of the standards that are needed for things like roaming, what happens when you cross a national boundary and roam onto a different network and have to tell them what slices you need, they're just not there yet. So those things are a little bit farther off.